Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rachel. I'm a professional trader with 3 years of experience, and guys, in my videos I teach others how to trade on binary options, and I use the most effective strategies for trading that I developed myself. I make a detailed analysis of each trade so even beginner can learn it. So yeah, watch this video till the end and make sure of it. Today we're gonna use one of my lovely strategies in trading, and this strategy is the main for trading on Quotex in 2023, and I'm sure that you've never seen that before. Today is really difficult market, but I will prove you that with correct use of this way of trading you can really make a big profit. So listen up and let's go to the trading. So we are at the broker and let's get started with our trading. On my balance sheet you can see the amount of $100, and it's with this amount we're gonna accelerate our deposit today. And I have selected all the necessary currency pairs with the most optimal payout percentage and volatility. And earlier the movement had a good dynamics, there was a trading use, and it spoiled a little the picture for us, yes, but I think we will cope with this task. We will adapt to the new price movement. And in general, such dynamics is present in almost all currency pairs, but don't worry, we'll figure something out. Yeah, and today we are reviewing one of my favorite strategies with the use of Bollinger Bands. And according to the settings, it has a period of 13 and deviation of 2, and usually I add 2 RSI, but here is slightly different selection of oscillators. We'll add only one SSI with a period of 10 and leave it, and also RSI with a period of 5 in order to better understand the dynamics of the movement now, yes. So in general, in the customer trading, you will understand how to use these indicators correctly and how to correctly open deals using these strategies. So I suggest you start and pick up our first currency pair. And guys, don't forget to subscribe to my Telegram where I'm sharing my mood, my lifestyle, my emotions, and other trading stuff with you there. And I also have a VIP club where I make my private trading with my VIP traders. And guys, if you're a beginner in this field and you don't know how signals work in open group and VIP chat, just hear me now. I write the currency pair and the time transaction and direction of the deal, up or down, and you just copy this on your devices. It may be laptops or smartphones, whatever. And almost every day I get a positive feedback from my traders in my VIP chat. So guys, if you want to be a part of my team of privileged traders, just write me a direct message and I will respond to you with pleasure. Here we open a deal for increase, and judging by the dynamics of the movement, the price has reached its local low, relatively good touch point, so yes, why not? And there is a touch of the lower Bollinger Band, and this tells us that the dynamics of movement should change after each touch. And also we see the upcoming reversal from CCI from the oversold area. And on our side, I also want to see a way out of these oversold areas. So here we open a deal to up. And the basic principle of entering the deal is observed. Yeah, let's look at the result. And our first deal closes positively in the plus. Successfully we cut the opening time. In general, at the beginning of the new candle, we almost met the opening timing, and that is why we closed the deal in plus, but the dynamics of the movement is rather complicated. But I repeat that the basic principle of opening a deal for increase is this touch of the lower band Bollinger, yes, or Bollinger Bands, and an exit or rebound from the oversold area on oscillators. So when you see such dynamics in terms of indicators, open a deal to up. So let's continue our trading and pick the next currency pair. Okay, let's better open a deal here to up. We open it in the direction of the trend, which strengthens our buy signal. So The logic is exactly the same. There was a touch of the lower Bollinger Band, yeah, then the dynamics should go up, update its new price high. Then there was an exit from the oversold area, yeah. So all the signals in theory absurd, and here we will better open an up trade. So let's look at the result. In general, there's already a more obvious and good signal to open here, yeah? So let's look at the result. And our second deal closes positively. Okay, let's change the amount of the value of our trade, about the maximum, and continue our trade. So I'm gonna try to find an entry to a short trade so that I can also practically demonstrate how this strategy should work and how to open short trades. In fact, there are not many serious factors here, so it will not be so difficult. So yeah, let's get started and pick the next currency pair. And let's open a short trade here. I think it's pretty good entry point here, yeah, and a consolidation area has formed. The price is standing still in this price corridor, and also here we have formed a small resistance area. It touches, and the upper of Bollinger Bands touches too, which tells us that deal needs to be opened to lower the price. And we also observe that our moving oscillators are in the overbought area, so we're gonna wait for the exit to down. And the deal may not close at very high levels since there is no volatility. So yeah, let's look at the result. And yeah, the deal closed in plus. As I said, there was not too much volatility here, and the pullback was not too strong either, but in general, the trade was opened correctly. Let's change the amount of the value of the deal and put the maximum and continue trading. That is, in theory, you understand that opening deals for full is absolutely the same principle. So you need to adhere to absolutely the same principle. Yeah, so let's continue and enjoy trading and select the next currency pair. Let's open a down trade here. I see a good entry point. I agree with you. And we have a touch of the upper Bollinger Bands. Here we have a touch of the resistance area for this price corridor. And yeah. And the dynamics is downward in nature, and after which the price rollback, yeah, I think the dynamics of the movement should go down. And we have already crossed the overbought area. The moving averages tend to go down, and the most favorable choice would be to open down trade, yes, for us. So let's watch the result. And another deal closes with us in a plus. So let's change the amount of the trade value, put 600 for one, and open two trades for the amount of $1,200. We had a good entry point here, and you see, despite the fact that our movement was very strongly corrected due to the trading use, we still close each trade without any problems in the black. So this strategy has a universal character, and it easily copes with all the dynamics of the movement. So let's continue, open about 4 more deals to consolidate the result. And yes, let's continue to the analysis and select the next currency pair. According to the dynamics of the movement, it becomes absolutely clear here that it's better to open a deal here in the direction of the trend, and here probably don't even focus on my oscillators on their sliding lines. Yes, in general, a strong upward trend is simply visible here. There will rollbacks and this banal price reversal occurred, and in general, most likely the price should now strive here to this local price high. And after updating the local low, rollbacks didn't show a rather strong character, and after each rollback we have formed a new local high point. Yes, and therefore after this rollback we must also form a new local high point. That's why we open a deal for increase. Yes, and already we fix it in a plus. So, in my opinion, everything happened exactly as I drew a few seconds earlier. In general, the dynamics of movement here were very clear and understandable enough. Yes, so we opened deals for increase and fixed them in profit. So let's change the amount of the deal and put $1,000 and open two trades in the amount of $2,000 and consolidate our results. Proceed and select the final currency. So let's open two up trades, and yeah, I already think that the dynamics of the movement will not go down, and it didn't fall. Therefore, most likely the dynamics will reverse immediately, but I was expecting a touch on the support area, and as a result, I realized that our price was not going lower, and while there was time, I quickly opened two trades. Here there is a touch of the lower moving average respectively. After this happens, the dynamics of the trend will change. It shows either a price rollback or a change in trends. Yes. In our case, there is an exit from the oversold areas on our two oscillators, and that's why we open deals here for increase. So let's look at the result. And we fix our final trades completely in profit. So I liked the last deal very much. We made a full analysis and waited and saw if our price would fall lower, and it didn't fall. We confidently opened a deal and fixed it in a profit. So here's such an interesting trading for today. Please write comments. How did you like this strategy? What do you think about it? Yes, remember how we traded after trading news and after a change in the dynamics of the movement, and in general, a good result. Yeah, therefore, be sure to like this video, write a comment, and be sure to subscribe to the channel because your support is my main motivation to continue my blog. So also don't forget to subscribe to my Telegram group. You can find all the necessary links under this video, and also if you're interested in trading, in the description of this video you will find the link to broker. Go register, try a hand in trading, and it's not as difficult as it might seem in reality. So good luck everyone, have a nice day, bye bye.